Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news of the Fed transition. Janet Yellen, the nominated replacement for Ben Bernanke, has been before a US Senate committee this morning in confirmation hearings. She has said it is important not to remove stimulus too early. She defended the Fed's steps to spur economic growth, calling efforts to boost hiring an imperative. Meanwhile, in the US, their trade gap widened in October on rising imports. Initial jobless claims fell slightly in the latest weekly data published, but they came in above what was expected. Global demand for gold fell to a 4-year low in the third quarter amid widespread investor disillusionment with the precious metal, according to data published by the Gold Council overnight. Even jewellery demand was tepid. Central banks bought less, although EFTs quit their holdings at a slower pace than the rush in the June quarter. In Europe, Ireland will become the first of their bailed-out countries to make a full return to financial markets. The Irish government has said overnight it will do that on December the 15th and without any safety net, which some see as a risky gamble. In Japan, the pressure is piling on Abenomics. The latest data out is not reassuring, with capital investment down and even exports down, despite the lower yen. Markets are expecting a quick fix to a decades-old problem. In China, it's becoming increasingly clear that the economic reforms will just entrench their giant state-owned enterprises. One of those is on a giant search for natural gas supplies. And research out overnight shows the extent that China's billowing surpluses are being used to invest in substantial offshore property. In Australia, Fonterra-backed Baker Cheese has trumped the last offer for Warrnambool in an ongoing fierce bidding war for the mid-sized dairy cooperative. And staying in Australia, their new government's plan to raise their debt ceiling to $500 billion has hit a block in their Senate, where lawmakers there want a $400 billion limit. Shades of a US-style tussle. The New Zealand dollar starts today at 82.8 US cents, 88.8 Aussie cents, and the TWR is at 77.4. I'm David Chaston, and that was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.